Good morning students. A very warm welcome to all the students of Guru Gobind Singh Public School and Junior College. Standard 5th subject Civics. Students, you are studying Civics lesson number 6. Rules are for everyone. Students, in the last lesson you have studied about the traffic rules, why there is need to follow the traffic rules and changes in rules for the society. Today you are going to study in this video topics rules against discrimination, customs and traditions in India, our social issues, protecting our environment. You are able to understand rules in the olden days were in the form of religious tradition and social customs. To know about our social issues, to understand laws are required for the protection of the environment. Students, observe the picture. The teacher is saying, people of the every age need nourishing food. The girl says, don't girls need as a nourishing a diet as is given be to boys at home? They feel only my brother needs good food. Students, can you tell how will you answer the girl's question? Is it a correct statement? No, it is incorrect to discriminate between boys and girls. It is unjust to deprive girls of good food or to prevent them from going to school. Students, next, observe the pictures. What injustice do you observe? In the first picture, a poor person say, I have written all your money. How can I still in debt? Because he is poor. A rich person never makes good decision between the poor boys. Why this happened? Because just they are greedy. Because of the greediness of that rich person. Students, observe the second picture. In this picture, woman says, even though I work without a single holiday in a month, why do you pay me so little? Students, it is the incorrect treatment. If someone working hard, we should appreciate their hard work. We should give a good opportunities to them. Students, in our society, such an injustice can also be seen with the respect to other sections of society. Have to be made to ensure that no injustice is done. Each rule has a specific purpose. Some rules have more than one purpose. Here are the list of rules. Point 1. Prohibition against loudspeakers in public places after 10 o'clock at night. Free primary education for boys and girls. Prohibition against dumping garbage in the river. Protection against domestic violence for women. Ban on child labor. Ban on felling trees, hunting and poaching. We follow many customs and traditions in our lives. We follow those traditions by observing our mother, father, grandparents and other relatives. There are several good customs and traditions in our society. We celebrate festivals together. We welcome guests who visit us and are hospitable to them. Many of our customs enable us to maintain the balance of nature. We express our love and gratitude towards animals. The values of non-violence and peace have been a part of our social life since ancient time. Now let's see the next topic, caste distinction. Even so, there are some traditions and customs that are not desirable. Desirable means not liked by the people. They are not beneficial for our society. For example, caste distinction. Because of this, a divide has been created in society. It has given rise to inequality. Next unjust custom is untouchability. Students, untouchability, this term is associated with the treatment of the Dalit communities in India. Dalit Communities means the lower section people. They have given unequal treatment by the rich people. Untouchability was an inhuman and unjust custom. The Constitution of Independent India abolished the custom of untouchability. Abolish means here students stop the custom or put an end of that custom of untouchability, and this is occur by the Constitution of Independent India. Next, unjust customs. Many times laws have to be made to abolish unjust customs. In our country, customs such as sati. Students, sati means a former practice in India whereby a widow threw herself onto her husband's funeral type. Means that widow means whose husband get died. That widow woman, she sacrificed her life after the death of his husband. So, unjust customs such as sati and child marriage. Child marriage means the marriage before the age of 18 years were abolished by making a laws that banned by them. Next, unjust custom. The law that banned the use of magic for cheating people was first enacted in Maharashtra, and receiving a dowry has been also banned by law. Now let's see our social issues. What are the problems in the society? First, illiteracy. Students, illiteracy means the inability to read and write, that is uneducated people. Then superstition. Superstitions means it is a practice based on good or bad faith or bad luck. Next, child labor. Child labor means the use of children to do the work that should be done by adults. It is a kind of exploitation of children. Next is the child marriage, that is means the marriage of the children before the age of 18. Wrong customs and traditions cause the neglect of some sections of society. They have no access to education. Therefore, they do not get opportunities of development. They have no means of livelihood. Therefore, they have to face poverty. Poverty and lack of education are the two big obstacles in our society. Students, poverty means always remain in poor condition, and lack of education means people those are uneducated. So we can only make progress together if we get rid of this obstacle. We get rid of means when we are become free from these two difficulties, these two obstacles in the society, that are poverty and lack of education. Let's see the next topic, protecting our environment. Students, just as laws are necessary to maintain equality and justice in society, laws are also required for the protection of the environment. We are dependent on nature in many ways. Most of our needs are fulfilled by nature. Natural resources should be available in enough quantities for the needs of our future generations. Therefore, we must conserve. Conserve means save. We must conserve these natural resources. We must use them carefully. Recapitulation. Rules in the olden days were in the form of religious traditions and social customs. To understand about our social issues, laws are made to combat inhuman and undesirable traditions and customs. Laws are required for the protection of the environment. Home assignment. Read the lesson carefully. Draw the figure of our social issues given on the textbook page number 30. Thank you.